Hi guys, this is Reina with Alt Couch. Today we are going to review the Albany couch right here. It's called the Albany sofa and it comes in distressed vegan leather. So don't go anywhere, there's a lot to talk about when it comes to the sofa. Tons of pros, just maybe too many cons. So this sofa is one of their 3 different collections if you want. It's the Albany Park or the Albany sofa right now. And then they have the Park and the Cova. And the difference between them, the major difference is the comfort level, where this one is medium comfort level or medium plush. And then we have the firmer and the cloud feel. The Cova is the cloud feel one. So go ahead and check them all out on my post where I will be talking about exclusively this one. But if you click on my link or where you can figure out more about Albany Park furniture, you will find out more about the entire collection. There's a lot of colors to discover, patterns, fabric, even the legs. So go ahead and read my post and click on the button that takes you to Albany Park Furniture to find out more about them. So I was able to move 2 boxes all by myself upstairs here in my house, where I was able also to unbox it and assemble it easily. No tools required. This is music to my ears and I bet you as well, people. So easy peasy. It's super easy assembly. You can do it by yourself. They do tell you that it's better when you have someone else to help you, but I was able to do it all by myself. It didn't take me long. I just needed to figure out, where screws go and stuff like that, and the arms, and just make sure everything snaps in place perfectly, and then you have this beautiful sofa. So like I said, it's vegan leather. It's distressed. It is where modern meets mid-century if you want. It's a beautiful touch to your living room. It's also a beautiful touch if you have a smaller space, a smaller house. Even if you have an office, it will be beautiful in your waiting room. It's just gorgeous. And like I said, they have many patterns to choose from, not just leather. So the collection is beautiful. Also, you can choose from not just the fabric and leather, you can also choose from the legs, all the way down to the legs. So what I have chosen here, I had either the like the gold finish metal, which is absolutely gorgeous on this couch. And then you also have the solid wood mid-century look kind of legs. So they're both beautiful, but I decided to go with this look to add this amazing touch, at the end, especially with this distressed leather. It's beautiful. Now let's talk about whether you can or cannot sleep on it. Now, I'm a small person and I was able easily to take a nap on it. Here's one of the cons that I have discovered. If you are on the bigger size, heavier size, I'm not sure if it's gonna be a very comfortable sofa for you to take a nap on or to sleep on. You may be able to just, lounge or sit down, grab a book, watch TV. That's for sure, you can do it easily. But it's not convenient if you are bigger size and you want to take a nap on it. But what I also loved about this couch is that they were able to add a middle leg, and this is a very important thing. Those little things are really important because it adds sturdiness, it adds a little boost to this sofa. So it's very important that they have the middle leg. The back and seat cushions are reversible and fully padded in plush fabric. Removable seat cushions have pocket coils surrounded by high density and mattress quality foam. And this is why I was able to take a nap on it, I'm guessing. It mimics the mattress. And then you have the choice of stainless steel legs in polished gold finish or mid-century wooden solid legs. What I also want to add is that it's a remarkable sofa. It will meet your expectations no matter your lifestyle. It is also specifically made for smaller apartments. You can easily move these boxes around so you can install it wherever you want. I can easily say and wrap up this review, and I have more and more to talk about on my post, but I can easily say that this sofa is comfortable, stylish, and relaxing. If you want to invest in something this beautiful and this comfortable and this stylish, you must check out the Albany Park Furniture website and the post when it comes to this beautiful couch. I mean, it's a hit. There's nothing to complain about. The only thing that I have mentioned was if you're on the heavy side, you might not find it really this comfortable to take a nap on, but you don't have to take a nap on, just sit down and lounge and enjoy it, because that's something you can do. And the other thing, which I have to disagree with myself right now, because I'm really used to build couches nowadays with storage in them. That's one thing I've noticed, that it doesn't have storage, but most probably it shouldn't have storage. It's just so beautiful to have storage in it. And now I know. Anyway, let's wrap up this review by telling you right away. You are going to look at it and think from the first sight that this couch costs a fortune, because this is exactly how I felt like when I started opening up the boxes and taking the arms and the cushions and the back seat, and I'm thinking, this is too gorgeous, this is too beautiful, this is amazing stitching, I love the leather, I love this beautiful distressed look. It's definitely not less than between $1,500 to $1,700. This is what I thought when I looked at it, because I've built couches and I've built so many sofas. Some of them are easily over $1,500, and they belong in the fire pit. So what I'm trying to say is that you might think it costs a fortune to get one of these couches, but well, it doesn't. It's affordable, so it's stylish, it's convenient if you have a small space, it is comfortable, and it is affordable. Find out more about the price when you click on my little box right here that says check out the price, and you will know what I'm talking about. I'm being honest. So that's it about this amazing couch or sofa from Albany Park. Go ahead and read more about the descriptions and the price, the patterns, the colors, the fabric, everything they have. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know if you have any questions, and I am always here to reply. Thank you.